Our next example is the downstroke. With the downstroke, you want to apply pressure because you want a thicker stroke. So using the tip of your brush pen, you're going to start at this top line. While going down, you're going to apply pressure to the tip of your brush as you go to the end of the baseline. That creates a downward stroke, which equals a thick stroke because you're applying pressure. So starting at the top of this line, you go down. As you can see, I'm pushing down as I go down because I want to create a down thick stroke. Whereas versus the upstroke, you want to create a thin stroke with no pressure. Again, downstroke, apply pressure, going down. Apply pressure, going down. Apply pressure, going down, which is very natural because if you write, as I do, being a heavy-handed person, when I write, I apply pressure anyway. Whereas that is nothing that you think about when you're doing an upstroke, or if you're writing and you're going in an upward position as you're writing, you just don't naturally think that, oh, I need to not apply pressure as going up. Where versus in lettering, you have to remember that. Again, another example of downstroke, apply pressure. And again, apply pressure going down. And that's your downstroke.